Assalamualaikum students, welcome back to your maths class. Hope you all are fine and doing good. So let's start the first chapter, that is numbers. We have completed 4-digit numbers, counting in thousands, forming numbers, how to form numbers, numbers on the abacus, place value and the face value, expanded form and standard form or short form, even and odd numbers, predecessor and successor, comparing numbers, that is greater than, less than or equals to, ordering of numbers, ascending order and descending order. So we have completed till exercise 1.6. So today's topic here is forming numbers with the given digits. Forming numbers with the given digits. Children, we have learned how to form a 3-digit number. So here we have to form a 4-digit number. Suppose the digits are given as 3, 2, 4 and 5. So many numbers are possible here. So different with different combinations, like 3245 semicolon 3254 semicolon 3452 3425 and 3542. Like that only there are many numbers that can be formed by using digits 3, 2, 4 and 5. So building the greatest and the smallest number can be done like this. GREATEST, greatest number, that means bigger one, biggest one. We are forming the greatest number here. So in order to form a greatest 4-digit number, we put the greatest digit in thousands place. Okay, we put the greatest digit in thousands place, and then second greatest digit in hundreds, and third greatest in tens, and the four, like that only we have to arrange. So from digits 3, 2, 4, 5, which is the greater one here? 5, and the second is 4. That means we have to arrange them in descending order. We have to arrange them in descending order. Then 3, then 2. So the greatest digit using these 4 digits is 5432. Let's arrange smallest number, SMALLEST, smallest number, NUMBER, number. Now how to form a smallest number, children? If we arrange the digits 3, 2, 4, 5 in ascending order, we get the smallest 4-digit number: thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So the digits are 3, 2, 4 and 5. So ascending order is nothing but from small to big. So the smallest number here is 2 and 3, 4, 5. So we have formed smallest number by using the given digits, that is 2345. Okay. So let's start exercise 1.7 here. Form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers with the given digits. So we have digits 4, 6, 5 and 2. Let's form a greatest digit first. So the biggest number here is 6 and then 5. In decreasing order we have to arrange. Then 4, then 2. So the greatest digit is 6542 and the smallest number here is, we have to arrange them in increasing order, 2456. Okay, so this you have to do in your notebook, children. Don't worry, I'll provide you PDF notes. So again we have to form a greatest and smallest 4-digit number by the given digits 6, 7, 0 and 9. So greatest digit here is 9760 and the smallest number here is, so children, we have to form 4-digit number, but the smallest number here is 0, so we cannot put 0 in thousands place because it will become a 3-digit number. So then 6000 is the smallest here. 6079 is the smallest number. So like that only you have to do this to children. Okay, next, form 4 different numbers with the given digits for each of the following. Children, you have to form 4 different numbers. See, we have done here, no? By using these digits we have formed different numbers. In the same way you have to arrange them in the different places. So practice well and be perfect in forming of greatest number and smallest 4-digit number. So thank you children. Be ready for the next class. Allah Hafiz.